Good morning, students. Today I have explained subject Computer Studies, Standard 12, chapter number 13. This is a last chapter. So, chapter number 13, Other Useful Free Tools and Services, part 1. In this chapter, we shall discuss some useful free tools and services. We shall have a quick introduction to data compression techniques. These techniques allow us to reduce the amount of memory and disk space required to store the information. We shall discuss the Archive Manager tool that let us apply these techniques to files and entire directories. We shall briefly discuss VLC Media Player, a versatile multimedia tool. We shall also discuss the Google Map services, which is an online service providing map of different areas. We will see two small but useful applications, character map, which allow us to insert various symbols and characters from different languages in our text. We shall then have an overview of the R environment for statistical computing. We shall learn some basic statistical operations like finding mean and median in R, and also learn to draw bar graph and histogram in R. Lastly, we will look at two tools, relational plan and Skype. While some of these applications come pre-installed with Ubuntu 10.05 LTS, others need to be installed from the Ubuntu repositories. So this is the other tools and services: data compression, Archive Manager, VLC Media Player, Google Map, Character Map, the R software, relational plan, and then Skype. So I will discuss first data compression. A modern computer system has lack of files on them. Often, one needs to transfer a large number of these files or an entire directory to another computer or storage device. When we want to transfer computer files to another computer or storage device, the amount of data to be transferred or stored becomes a concern. Both computer networks and external storage device are usually not as fast as internal components of a computer. Thus, transferring large amount of data may take more time. If the internet is used for such transfers, more time may be taken in the transfer due to slow internet speed. Also, such transfer put load on the usually clogged internet connection. Computer scientists have developed a technique to place a whole directory structure into a single file. For convenience, such a file is called an archive. They have also developed a number of techniques for reducing the storage requirement of computer files and directory structure. These techniques are called data compression. Data compression generally works by identifying repetitions in the data and encoding the data in a way that reduces or eliminates such repetition. In the encoded file, we may mark the beginning of the table with a caret symbol and end of the table with a dollar sign. Some technique also identify and eliminate less important information to conserve space. So that is a data compression. Next software is a archive manager. Archive manager has permits us to combine many files or an entire directory tree into a single file known as an archive. On Linux system, TAR, tab archive, is the most common archive format. It also provides the facility of compressing the archive to reduce its file size. It supports multiple compression algorithm and compressed file format. The most common compressed file formats are the zip file format and the tr.gz file format. GZ, that means a zip file. While the zip file format support storing multiple files in a single zip file, on Unix and Linux system, the common practice is to combine the file into a single uncompressed file in the TAR format and then compress the file in the zip format using gzip, that means GNU zip, an open source archiving program. Such a file commonly has the extension tr.gz and is called a TAR ball. The TAR ball is a very common format for distributing software or bundles of file on the Linux platform. Archive manager can also be used to explore the contents of archives, to access files from the archives, to add new files to the archive, to delete files from the archive, and perform other such operations. So this is a archive manager software. Next is a VLC media player. Ubuntu comes with built-in tools to play multimedia content like audio, video, and etc. However, another great open source tools called VLC, that means a video LAN client. That is a full form of VLC, video LAN client, media player. It is also extremely popular because if its versatility and features. The advantage of VLC is that it supports all the popular codes, that means coder and decoder, and in all the popular formats. It also supports all the major type of device including web cameras, HD monitors, speakers of all types, microphones, headphones. VLC provides several options for playback of audio and video. It can convert multimedia files from one format to another. It can also stream, that means send audio and video to and receive audio and video from another computers over the network. After starting VLC from the application sound and video menu, we may open one or more files using the media and then open file menu item. We may open an entire directory using the media and then open directory options. The playlist can be opened using the view and then playlist option and save using the media and then save playlist to file. At the bottom of the window, we'll see display a progress bar showing how much of the current track has been played and what is its total duration. While VLC has a lot of other functionalities as well, here we shall discuss how VLC can be used to convert multimedia files from one format to another. For this, select the media and then convert or save options from the menu. So that is a VLC media player. Next is a Google Map. Google Map is a free internet-based service provided by Google Inc. Google has, over a period of years, collected extensive map data for the whole Earth through various means like satellite imagery, cars with cameras mounted on them, data purchased from other organizations, and data provided by millions of individual users around the world. Google Maps allows anybody to edit the map and identify landmarks, buildings, and etc. It also allows users to upload photographs of the place and post reviews of the place. The service is also heavily used on mobile devices like smartphone and tablets. The device can be accessed from the web browser by opening the website http://www.google.co.in and selecting the maps option from the top menu, or directly entering the URL http://map.google.co.in. On mobile phones, the services may be accessed from the mobile phone's web browser as well as from the Google Maps application. On mobile phone, the user location can be known with very high accuracy if the GPS, that means a global positioning system, that is a full form of GPS facility is used. So that is a Google Map. So today class is over. The remaining topic I will discuss in next session. Thank you.